A young man had an emergency appendectomy for a ruptured appendix and is in the post anesthesia care unit. A Penrose drain is in place. After he recover from anesthesia, how should he be positioned? A. Right Sims position, B. Dorsal, C. Trendelenburg position and D. Semi-sitting position. तो राइट आंसर इसमें होगा D. Semi-sitting position. Promote drainage. The client is a Penrose drain. तो एक बात तो इसमें और है कि अपेंडिसाइटिस है उसके अंदर अपन जो एनेमा है वो नहीं दे सकते, वो कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेटेड होता है एनेमा अपेंडिसाइटिस के अंदर। एनेमा अपन देंगे तो पेरिस्टालसिस मूवमेंट बढ़ जाएगी, पेरिस्टालसिस मूवमेंट बढ़ेगी तो क्या हो जाएगा, चांसेस ऑफ रप्चर ऑफ अपेंडिक्स, अपेंडिक्स पहले ही इन्फेक्टेड है और रप्चर हो जाएगा तो वहाँ और भी इन्फेक्शन होने के चांस हो जाएंगे, तो उसमें कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेटेड हो जाएगा एनेमा। नेक्स्ट, द नर्स इज प्लानिंग केयर फॉर ए वुमेन who had a abdominal hysterectomy and bilateral salpingectomy and oophorectomy. The nurse know that because of the location of her surgery, the client is at risk for the development of thrombophlebitis, pneumonia, stress ulcer, wound infection. तो इसमें एब्डोमिनल हिस्टेक्टोमी हो रही है, बायलेटरल साल्पिंजेक्टोमी और ओफरेक्टोमी। तो इस कंडीशन के अंदर पेशेंट के थ्रोम्बोफेलेबाइटिस होने के चांस है। तो ऑप्शन क्या है, सॉरी इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन है, पेल्विक सर्जरी इज ए सिग्निफिकेंट फैक्टर, रिस्क फैक्टर इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ थ्रोम्बोफेलेबाइटिस। नेक्स्ट, an adult client is admitted to the post anesthesia care unit following an abdominoperineal resection. Which action should the nurse take initially? Assess respiratory infection, monitor IV fluid, check abdominal and perineal dressing, apply anti-thrombophlebitic stocking. ऑप्शन ए राइट है, assess respiratory function. Assessing airway function is of prime importance immediately following surgery and anesthesia. The other action will be done but only after the nurse is assured that the client has an adequate airway. ए बी सी, जिसमें एयरवे सबसे पहले आता है, तो सबसे पहले एयरवे अपन क्लियरेंस है कि नहीं है, कोई भी कंडीशन हो उसमें एयरवे को फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी दी जाती है। तो ये सबसे पहले आप दिमाग में याद रखो कि जहाँ एयरवे की बात है तो वहाँ सबसे पहले अपन प्रायोरिटी एयरवे को ही चूज करेंगे। The nurse is caring for a woman who just delivered a healthy baby. She received a saddle block anesthesia during delivery. She is admitted to the postpartum unit. Which nursing action is most appropriate? Encourage her to ambulate as soon as sensation and motion have returned. Keep her flat and quiet for 8 hours. Keep her NPO for 4 hours. Position her in a semi-sitting position as soon as she is alert. The right answer is 2. Keep her flat and quiet for 8 hours. A saddle block is a spinal anesthesia because of the loss of cerebrospinal fluid. During this procedure, it is necessary to keep the client flat for 8 hours to prevent the development of a spinal headache. Encourage ambulation after sensation and motion have returned to appropriate for a client who has had a epidural anesthesia. Fluid should be encouraged to promote the formation of CSF. A man who is recovering from a prostatectomy complains of pain in left calf. The nurse observed slight ankle swelling and excited the Homan sign. What is the best action for the nurse to take at this time? Tell him to stay in bed and notify the charge nurse. Massage his leg to relieve the pain. Place a blanket roll under his left knee. Encourage एक्टिव एम्बुलेशन। तो राइट आंसर इसमें होगा ए, टेल हिम टू स्टे इन बेड एंड नोटिफाई द चार्ज नर्स। Common sign, pain in the calf when the ankle is dorsiflexion and ankle swelling are suggestive of thrombophlebitis. The client should be placed on bed rest and the physician should be notified. Massaging and ambulating are contraindicated because these activity might cause a thrombus to become an embolus. Placing a blanket roll under a knee cause venous stasis and clot formation. तो ये क्वेश्चन इसमें आता भी रहता है, मसाज के लिए थ्रोम्बोफेलेबाइटिस में कौन सी मतलब अवॉइड करते हैं, तो उसमें मसाज का भी ये कई चीज़ आते हैं। तो मसाज तो वैसे कॉन्ट्रा इंडिकेटेड है इसके अंदर। ए 75-year-old मैन इज ब्राउड टू द ऑडिटरी क्लिनिक बाई हिज सन वो टेल्स द नर्स that his father is having trouble hearing and seems to be a little depressed. The man said, there is no point in getting a hearing aid. I don't have much time left and did not use the time I had very good anyway. The nurse recognized that his behavior indicate that the client might be A. actively suicidal, B. suffering bipolar depression, C. struggling with generativity versus stagnation, struggling with development of integrity versus despair। स्ट्रगल तो सभी स्टूडेंट कर ही रहे हैं जब तक जॉब ना मिलेगी तब तक। तो इसमें राइट आंसर होगा फॉर स्ट्रगलिंग विद डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इंटेग्रिटी वर्सेस despair. Integrity versus despair is the development task of the elderly. This concept include looking at one's life with some satisfaction for what has been accomplished. This client indicate he is not satisfied with his life. There are no data to suggest that the client is suicidal or bipolar. Generativity versus stagnation is the developmental task for the middle adult. An 88-year-old woman is a long-term care facility is having difficulty remembering where her room is. Which of the following solution would best help her? Put a light blue painting on the door to her room. Assign her a buddy who will help her when she get lost. Put her picture and her name in large letter on the door to her room. Assign her the room next to the nurse's station so that the staff can assist her. Right answer is 3. Put her picture and her name in large letter on the door to her room. The behavior suggests short-term memory loss. Identifying her room with a picture, probably a picture of her a younger woman, and her name is in large letters so she can easily read it, will help her find her room. Older person are about to have difficulty with blue, green and pastel color. It is necessary to assign her a buddy, nor is it necessary to put her next to the nurse's station. The family of an elderly client asks why their father put so much salt on his food. The nurse should include which information in the response. The taste bud become dull as a person aged. The body is attempting to compensate for lost fluid during the aging process. Elderly client need more sodium to ensure adequate kidney function. The is confused and does not remember putting salt on the food. Option A is the right. The taste bud become dull as a person age. तो ओल्ड एज के अंदर टेस्ट बड भी डल हो जाते हैं। और इसमें ऑप्शन 3 है, इसमें सोडियम की बात कर रहा है तो इसमें सोडियम ज़्यादा नहीं देंगे क्योंकि ओल्ड एज के अंदर पहले ही हाइपरटेंशन होता है। अगर और ज़्यादा सोडियम दे देंगे तो और ज़्यादा हाइपरटेंशन हो जाएगा। तो पहले ही इसमें सोडियम ज़्यादा है, वो सॉरी हाइपरटेंशन है, तो सोडियम और देंगे तो और क्रिटिकल कंडीशन हो जाएगी। As pupil age, the taste bud diminish and become dull. Many elderly person put large amount of salt on food. The other answer do not make sense. If the client loses fluid thrust in the response, not a desire for more salt, elderly client do not need more sodium for renal function or anything else. Confusion could play a role, but the more likely reason is a loss of taste sensation. A 65-year-old client is seen in an urgent care center for a sprained ankle. The client also tells the nurse, I did not know what the problem is. I am tired all the time. I guess it is just a sign I am getting old. What is the best response for the nurse to make? 65 is not that old. Do not have enough activities to keep you from getting bored. It's normal for someone from age to feel tired like that. Try taking a 2-hour nap during the day. It's not normal for someone your age to be tired all the time. Have you had a physical exam recently? You sound depressed. Would you like the name of a psychiatrist? तो राइट आंसर इसमें होगा 3. It is not normal for someone your age to be tired all the time. Have you had a physical exam recently? It is not normal for a 65-year-old to be tired all the time. Chronic fatigue can be a sign of many things, including anemia, diabetes, and so on. The client should be thoroughly evaluated by a physician. Fatigue could be related to boredom to or depression, but the nurse may not make that assumption. The client should be evaluated for physical illness first. Last, a 65-year-old woman tells the nurse she has vaginal itching and dryness and that she has pain down there at time. What should the nurse do? Reassure the client that there are normal changes that come with aging. Explain to the client that this situation is of little importance. Become sexual activity is not likely at this age. Suggest to the client that she use a vaginal cream for the itching and dryness. 4. Encourage the client to see her physician. तो राइट आंसर इसमें होगा 4. Encourage the client to see her physician. Dryness is normal for a post-menopausal woman. Itching and pain are not normal. However, the client needs to be seen by a physician. She might have an infection or another problem. तो फ्रेंड्स आज के लिए इतना ही। आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगर आप यहाँ तक पहुँचे हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करके जाना, क्योंकि हमें मोटिवेशन मिलता है। और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना। अगर आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो चैनल को यार एक सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना। पास में बेल आइकन आता है उसको दबा लेना, जिससे कि आपको लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे। तो फ्रेंड्स हम आपके लिए ऐसे ही वीडियो लेके आते रहेंगे। तो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, बाय बाय हमारे साथ बने रहने के लिए। और फ्रेंड्स मौसबी की जो बुक आ रही है उस पर आपको डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है, अच्छा डिस्काउंट है और अच्छी बुक है। अगर आपने नहीं पढ़ी तो वो ज़रूर परचेज कर लेना। वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको लिंक मिल जाएगी, वहाँ से आप परचेज कर सकते हो उसमें, क्योंकि आपको डिस्काउंट का ऑफर मिल रहा है। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, बाय बाय।